Neck rotations. Slowly rotate your neck in a full circle and switch directions. Shoulder rotations. Roll shoulders forward, then backward in a circular motion. Overhead stretch. Stretch out both arms straight overhead. Interlace your fingers. Turn your palms to face the sky. Take a deep breath in and release hands down as you breathe out. Repeat 10 times. Cross arm stretch. Extend your arm straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Then bring it across your chest. Use your other hand to hold the arm just above the elbow, gently pulling it closer to your body. Repeat the process with the other arm. Triceps stretches. Reach your arm to the ceiling. Bend your elbow so your hand reaches towards the middle of your back. With your other hand, gently pull your elbow down and back. Arm circles. Extend arms and make controlled circles forward and backward. Torso twist. Twist torso side to side as if passing a ball behind you. Heel raises. Stand tall and raise heels off the ground, then slowly lower. Ankle rotations. Lift one leg, rotate ankle slowly, switch directions, and repeat on other foot. Ankle inversion and eversion. Slowly move your foot inward, then outward in a windshield wiper motion without moving your knee. High knee march. March in place, lifting knees high with each step. Squats. Place feet shoulder width apart, toes turned out slightly. Maintain a neutral spine and brace your core. Start by moving hips back and down simultaneously, keeping knees in line with the toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Your optimal squat depth depends upon your range of motion. Forward lunges. Take a step forward with one leg. Land on your heel first, then shift your weight onto that foot. Drop your hips straight down until both knees are at roughly 90 degrees angle. Your front knee should be directly above your ankle and back knee should hover an inch or two above the floor. Return through your front heel to drive yourself back to the starting position. Jumping jacks. Jump with legs and arms going out and in together.